Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something kind of different. So me and my friend from Virginia actually made up this little game, I guess, and we're calling it Vinyl Roulette. So the game is you make a list of 6 vinyl that you think a friend of yours would want, and you roll a dice, and whichever one that the dice lands on, obviously if you roll like a 5, and on number 5 if it says whatever vinyl, then you get your friend that vinyl. And I don't know, we thought it was something kind of fun to do, kind of new, because basically I buy myself a vinyl like per month regardless of what kind it is, and we both have like the same music taste regardless, so yeah, I don't know, it's a fun idea. If you guys want to do it, feel free. It's a lot of fun. So I made a list. Here's my list. I rolled a 5, and what I got was 5 was Tiger's Jaw's Charmer, I believe, I think on the list. But that's what I got him, and it ended up being a clear vinyl. So here's my best friend Chris unboxing the vinyl that I got him.
What is this? Oh man. What up? Oh yeah, no. And this is what the magical dice do. I won't be sad if it's black. Yes, I know, I love you too. We can listen together. It did get to me safely. Thank you. I will keep the note. Tiger's Jaw. Oh snap. What up? Very dope. I did not have Charmer. Thank you. It's awesome.
So yeah, the game is pretty simple, self-explanatory. You're just buying a secret vinyl for your best friend and sending it. Because my best friend lives so far away from me, so we can't like hang out and go to vinyl stores together. So this is how we bond. We do what we want to do. So here's what Chris got me. I think he rolled a 6. He didn't take a picture of his list, so I can't show you what he put. But he said it was something so good that he might buy himself the same one. I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm excited though. This. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is such a fun idea. I don't know why I never thought of this before. Oh my god, and there's a note. Shut the f up. It says, read the note before looking at what record this is. Alright, bestie, here's your record. I'll admit I cheated. I rolled on the first list I made, but didn't realize that the one I chose was literally not findable. Then I had the idea to pick this up for you. Hopefully you'll forgive me for cheating when you see it. Enjoy. Love you. Oh my god. I already know what it is by the color. Yee, I'm so excited. Oh my god! Chris, stop it! I'm gonna cry! Chris! Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. You got me- it's signed! Holy shit, that makes mine look so lame. Chris, stop. I can't believe you did that. This is why you need best friends, because you get this. This is unreal. He's the best person. Oh my god. The tour variant is so cool. This is beautiful. Chris, I love you so much. This is why you need to have best friends with the same vinyl taste, because then you get good records. My god, there's a whole like book in it. This is the sweetest thing. I'm pretty sure this is a tour variant. It comes with like a whole picture book, basically. I saw this on their thing and I missed them on this tour and I couldn't see them. I'm sweating. This is insane. Chris, you are the best person on this entire planet. You deserve an award. That's so cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. Definitely do this with your friends, because maybe you'll get something cool like this. So you never know. And it's called Vinyl Roulette, and it's fun. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a lot of fun. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm probably gonna try to make more videos soon because I have a lot of free time on my hands. Stay tuned and I'll be back soon. Peace, kiddos.